We have like this facade everywhere in this city. Not unique, not eye-catching, and kinda boring. We want to make it better, so let's redesign. First of all, I start drawing the essential lines to have the main frame, which leads us to have this raw shape of building. I use Rapid for drawing these drafts. As we can see, we have some guidelines here. I take the stairboxes windows edge to create some vertical rectangular panels next to them. I believe having vegetation in facade can level up the design, so I add up some flower boxes on my draft between some of these windows, and also we can have vertical louvers behind these flower boxes due to the direction of the openings all the way up. And here, right next to the entrance, I'd like to define a different set using a mixture of horizontal division plus having some vegetation too, because it really makes it look better at the entrance when you come to your building. And then I'm willing to add some profiles to my windows because it really have direct influence on our facade's look. And also never forget about the night and afternoon view of your building. It always needs lighting design, so think about how it will look in the night and consider the proper points for adding your lights. In order to do that, I have already designed these louvers behind my flower boxes, and I'm gonna put the halogens and other lights at the depths of my vegetation flower box. It's really good to have kind of harmony between your lines that you are going to put on your facade because it's gonna have a nice influence on your audience. For a better sense, I add some colors to my design in order to differ the materials and feel the differences. So I use different colors and also I have to define special colors for special materials that I'm using on my facade, so these three colors are going to be my mains. And now, to show the lights, let's add some yellowish color behind these flower boxes. It will show the direction of the light on my facade. And at the end, for your own knowledge, write down the materials that you were thinking about during your design process. I hope you have enjoyed the design process. Let's stay together for my other tutorials about how to change facades to another one. Here it is, our design is done. Let's see the result.